Mind doesn't understand difference between imagination and reality. And this is a real blessing for us. When we imagine something, by engaging all the five senses, mind believes it is happening in real, and neurons fire and wire together. And RAS, reticular activating system, gets activated, and we create our mental reality. And once mental reality is created, it feels so easy to create it in real. Hello, my dear ones. I'm Dr. Kashika Jain. I'm a clinical psychologist. In this video, I'll be talking about visualization in detail. But before I start, I want you to download my mobile app. Just type my name, Dr. Kashika Jain. You will find my app, download it, and experience meditation every day. Now let's start. Visualization refers to mental process in which you engage all five senses and create vivid images, add sounds, and feels as if you are creating your reality and you are becoming one with the reality. When you imagine, so RAS, reticular activating system, gets activated, and its job is to focus onto everything which matters to you. And also, when you simply imagine, neuron fire and wire together. Brain scan tells imagination feels like as if it is happening in reality. It's equal to taking real action. And the more you practice, more you make stronger connections. So repeated imagination process makes your mental reality more real. And it feels so easy. Persons feels naturally confident, motivated. Many athletes, sports persons, actors, and prominent persons from other fields also advocate that visualization process is really very effective process. It boosts confidence, gives lots of motivation. A person feels very less anxious. So this is such an amazing process. Now the important question is how to practice visualization. But before you know how to practice it, you must be clear about your outcome. What exactly you want to create or you want to change. So take a paper and pen and write about your outcome. What you want to see, what you want to hear, what you want to feel. And after writing it, then start practicing visualization process. So find a quiet and comfortable place and make sure that you are free from all distractions. Gently close your eyes, and now you are already clear about your outcome. So create mental pictures. Insert powerful, empowering dialogues and believe that you are creating your reality as if you are living your reality. See what you want to see, feel what you want to feel, hear what you want to hear. And now, by engaging all your five senses, make yourself experience in the best way the exactly you want to feel. Believe your brain is creating that reality. Neurons are firing and wiring, making new strong connections. Now your RAS is activated and it is memorizing, and it will keep focusing on to everything which matches to your outcome. And with this belief, just repetitively create mental pictures. Live your reality mentally. Make it so clear, so vivid, so colorful. Feel as you are feeling all the positive emotions in the moment. Take actions. Feel the movement in the body. Just live this reality in the moment. You may take different time from others because might be your outcome it's so long. So this visualization process may take 5 to 10 minutes. Some may finish within 2 to 3 minutes. So the duration of visualization depends upon person to person, upon their outcome, how they practice it. The idea to practice it, engaging all your five senses and using your attention and focus inward and training your brain that I want this, I'm clear. And clarity brings confidence. When you are clear and now your RAS has the clear instructions where it needs to get focused, so it feels very easy to notice the opportunities. And when you notice it, it feels so familiar and you feel naturally motivated as you have already experienced it, you have already lived it, and it feels so easy to take action. And when you take action, you are confident. So you easily create your reality in the outside world. So this way you practice visualization. So you can practice visualization before your bedtime because it is the best time to practice it, or the moment you get up, because both the time before your sleep or after getting up, both time you remain in alpha state of mind. And this is a state of mind where your subconscious mind absorbs everything without the interference of your conscious mind. And the more you practice it, you program your subconscious mind. And once your subconscious mind is programmed, you know it does its job automatically. Automatically your subconscious mind will take care about your outcome. Naturally you will feel motivated. So visualization process is very effective process and worldwide practiced by most of the persons. So I want you to now close your eyes so that we can experiencing a short visualization. So close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath in. Exhale and relax. One more time. Take a long and deep breath in. Exhale and relax. Relax. Allow yourself to feel this relaxation physically, mentally, and emotionally. Relax, 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 relax. Now imagine a golden healing light right above top of your head. And now let this golden light enter into your body. Feel the light. See the light. Feel the movement, warmth, temperature, and let it enter throughout your body. Let it spread all over your body and feel as it is moving in different parts of your body. Your body is becoming more relaxed. You're feeling more calmer. Your brain is quiet. Your body is relaxed. You're feeling amazing, fantastic. Wonderful. Deeply connected to your soul. And now your subconscious mind is open. And your conscious mind is on rest. And now it has spread all over your body. You are ready to create your new reality. Now, imagine the version of you which you want to be. See yourself doing your things confidently. Hear your empowering dialogues. Feel it, believe it, that this magic is happening as if you are creator of your life. You are creating your reality. You know your outcome. Your outcome is clear in your mind. And simply see yourself as you want to see yourself. Hear what you want to hear and feel what you want to feel. Adjust your body. Adjust your expressions. Feel it, believe it, create it. See your new version as you are standing in front of a mirror. And in that mirror, you are seeing new version of you. Look into the eyes of your new version and smile and say, "Hey, my new you, welcome to my world. I love you. You are my creation. Now, let's merge with me. We will shine together. We will rock together." And just imagine the new version of you is also smiling back and ready to merge with you. Just imagine the new you and you are merging and becoming one. Now you are feeling empowered, confident, motivated. Your internal dialogues are so empowering, so motivating. You're looking confident. You're looking amazing. You're feeling very powerful. You have become the one with your new self. Wonderful. And now, with this powerful self, see yourself living your life happily, confidently, beautifully. I'm allowing you few moments to live. You will hear my voice after some time. Wonderful. Amazing. Now, with this new version of you, it's time to come back to the awareness. I want you to join your hands, rub them, and feel the warmth on your face. And with a beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes. So this was a short visualization process. You can design it in your own way, or if you want to practice already designed visualization process, you can try my meditations. So this is all for this video. I hope you are benefited. Now a small request, please do share this video with your family and friends and help me to grow this channel. Please subscribe my channel, it means a lot to me. Like this video, leave a beautiful comment for me. This means a lot to me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.